Hello. Today we will be creating a curved wall with perforated brick wall material, similar to these two interesting looking images. Let's get started. Go to the Massing and Site tab. Create a mass in place. For this exercises, let us create a curve mass. Specify the size and depth of curve you would like to create. Click the Create Form tab to generate the mass form. Adjust the height by moving the Z-axis up or down. Click Finish Mass to complete the process. Now let us create the brick profile family. Open a new family. Choose the curtain wall panel template. Click to open the exterior elevation view. Adjust the reference lines. Specify the dimensions you would like to use. In this example, we will be using 120 by 400 millimeters. Remember, we will be creating a brick wall similar to this one. Go to the Create tab and choose the Extrusion command. Create the outline of the brick. From the reference line, let us offset it by 25 mm at both ends. Then click the Finish Edit mode. Adjust the thickness of the brick. Let's set it to 100 millimeters. Now let's add material to the object. Create new one. Adjust the properties. Click Apply. Go to Exterior Elevation View again. Duplicate or copy the brick model. Adjust the position. Then go to the 3D view to check the appearance. In the Architecture tab, go to the Wall command, and choose Wall by Face. Select the curtain wall, duplicate it, Then rename it to brick wall. Adjust the curtain panel. In the drop-down menu, locate the family of brick we have just created. Choose it. Now, adjust the vertical grid, choose maximum spacing, and specify the spacing value to 400. Do the same method with the horizontal grid, but this time, use 120 spacing value. Click OK to save it. To apply this, pick the face of the mass object which we will assign the brick wall finishing. Wait for a moment to generate it. And there you go. We have just created the perforated brick wall on a curved surface. Finally, click the Show Mass button to hide the mass object. We can also right-click the mouse button, then choose the Hide in View Elements. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video.